A couple days ago, I shared a knit heart patch tutorial, and I can't leave my crocheters hanging, so today I have a crochet heart tutorial for you. These hearts are really easy to crochet, and they're great for adding to things like clothing, accessories, or other projects. Each one works up in less than an hour and uses about 12 yards of yarn. The step-by-step tutorial is coming up. Like the knit hearts, I'm using Mary Maxim Woodlands yarn in this tutorial, but you can substitute with any medium weight yarn in your stash. Now, the easiest way to follow along with this tutorial is to have the pattern handy as well. You can view it for free on my website, or if you prefer to have a copy to print or save for later, you can buy the PDF from my shop. I'll have a link to both of those options in the description below. Now, to get started, make a slip knot and 4 chains. Find the 4th chain from the hook and work the following stitches all in the same chain. 1 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet. Then join with a slip stitch to the 3rd chain. Starting on round 2, find the next chain 1 space and make 7 double crochet there. Then make 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Now this first one here likes to hide beneath the big group of double crochets, so just slide the other stitches over so you can see where to work. Okay, that'll bring you to the next chain 1 space. And in that space, make 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 more double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And in the last chain 1 space, make 7 double crochet. Then join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain from round 1. So it's starting to look a little more heart-like now, and if you need a smaller heart, if this is the right size, you could totally fasten off here, but we'll keep going in case you want to make a larger heart. So picking up on round 3, find the first stitch and single crochet there, and in the next stitch as well. Then make 2 double crochet in the next 4 stitches. followed by 1 double crochet in each of the next 6 stitches. That'll get you to your chain 1 space. In it, make 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 more double crochet. Then we'll work all of that in reverse. 1 double crochet in the next 6 stitches, followed by 2 double crochet in the next 4 stitches. And finally, 1 single crochet in the last 2 stitches. Then find the slip stitch from your previous round and slip stitch there to join the round. Same thing here. If this is the size you want, you can totally fasten off here, but we'll keep going 1 more round to make it just a little bit bigger. To start round 4, slip stitch in the first stitch, then single crochet in the next, and half double crochet in the next. From there, make 2 double crochet in each of the next 6 stitches, then make 1 double crochet in each of the next 9 stitches. That'll get you to your chain 1 space again. In that space, work 2 double crochets, chain 1, and 2 more double crochets. Then work it all in reverse. 1 double crochet in the next 9 stitches, followed by 2 double crochets in the next 6 stitches. Then 1 half double crochet, followed by a single crochet, and slip stitch in the last stitch. Then go ahead and fasten off. Now you could pull the tail through the loop, but we want to clean it up just a little bit. So pull up on that loop. We'll make sort of an invisible join here so we don't have that odd little bump at the top of the heart. So thread the tail on the yarn needle and run it under the slip stitch from front to back. Then poke the needle down through the middle of that stitch, and then you can weave it in as normal. What that does is sort of cover up that middle stitch, kind of giving it a double layer, and it sort of hides the join, making it a little less obvious. That's all for now, friend. Thank you so much for watching, for subscribing and liking and commenting on the videos, and definitely for those of you who are buying PDFs from my shop. There's no way I could keep it up without your support, so thank you from the bottom of my heart. Also, don't forget the links to where you can get the pattern are in the description below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing that if you like this sort of thing. I make knitting and crochet videos all the time, and I love to keep inspiring you to make something that'll make you happy. Happy hooking, and I'll see you in the next one.